Ways to monetize your vlog. Okay, so you have your YouTube channel set up correctly. You have uploaded some vlog videos and you are working hard to increase your subscriber numbers and video views. Where is the reward for all of this? This training is about vlogging for profit, so we're going to share with you some of the best ways to monetize your vlog here. The truth is that there are many different ways that you can monetize your vlog and videos. YouTube Partner. When you become a YouTube partner, you can display Google AdSense ads on videos that you choose. If you are not aware of Google AdSense, it is used by content publishers, such as vloggers and blog owners, to display Google ads in or on their content. Every time an ad is clicked, you share the revenue with YouTube. Now, the first thing to say here is that it is unlikely that you will make a life-changing income with Google AdSense on your videos, even if you have millions of views. There are also various factors which affect how much of the revenue you receive, such as the number of views an ad receives. Not all viewers of your video will see the ad. The length of time that the ad was visible. Some ads are actually short videos. Was there any interaction with the ad? The demographics of your audience. The amount of advertisers that want to advertise in your niche at the current time. As you have probably worked out, it is not easy to predict the money you will make by enabling Google AdSense on your videos. But you don't have to worry about any of the factors above other than trying to get as many views to your video as possible. There are different types of Google AdSense ads that you can display on your videos. One of the most common is a standard banner displaying at the bottom of the video. There are also short video trailers that can display at the start, during your video, or at the end. Sometimes the viewer can skip these trailers and other times they will have to watch them. You will need to meet a number of criteria to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program and displaying Google AdSense ads. The rules change often, so it is best to visit https://support.google.com/answer/72851 eligibility to see what the latest rules are. Once you are a confirmed partner, it is easy to monetize any of your videos by logging into your YouTube account and enabling monetization. There are a number of payment methods that you can choose from, including a check, wire transfer, electronic funds transfer, Western Union, and more. You need to think carefully about enabling these ads on your videos. Some viewers will not mind an AdSense banner at the bottom of the video. A trailer at the start that cannot be skipped may test the patience of some viewers, though especially if they are new to your vlog. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products, and when a sale is made, you earn a commission. Commissions range from very small, a few cents, to very large, hundreds of dollars for high-ticket items. Videos are a lot more persuasive than written text, so you could be demonstrating a product or a piece of software and then add your affiliate link in the description. Some people that own makeup vlogs, for example, make a fortune every month through affiliate marketing. With most vlog niches, there will be affiliate products and services that you can promote. You just need to find them. Use Google or another search engine and type in the type of product or service and then affiliate program. So an example would be makeup affiliate program. You can promote physical products and digital products too. Digital products would normally be software, a how-to guide, training videos, and so on. It can be harder to make a sale with digital products, but the commissions are usually a lot higher than with physical products. Merchandising. You can create your own merchandising for your vlog brand. A good example of this is a t-shirt or sweatshirt with your brand logo on it, or even caps. There are companies you can use that will supply the clothes or caps in the right sizes and colors with your design printed on them. There are other merchandising goods that are somewhat easier than clothes, such as USB memory sticks with your logo, calendars with your logo, pens with your logo, phone cases, and much more. It is easy to find a company that will brand popular items for you. Merchandising is not something that you need to think about when you first starting out with your vlog. You will need a lot of active subscribers to make a profit from merchandising. But once you reach that large subscriber base, then you can sell a lot of merchandise items regular and make good money. Selling your own products or services. This is something that you can do fairly quickly with your vlog. There are many different products and services that you can sell from your vlog. Here are some examples: a book, a how-to guide, a video training course, coaching services. The best way to do this is to teach your audience the basics of achieving something and then tell them that if they want the real advanced methods, then they need your product. Provide value in your videos to get your audience hooked, but don't give everything away for free. One of the best ways to sell your products and services is through email marketing. You can use an email autoresponder service such as Aweber or GetResponse and provide something of value for free as an incentive to join your email list. You will need to do this from your website or blog, and then add this link in your video description. Tell people in your videos the benefits of joining your email list. Tell them that you will provide them more free tips and advice, but only if they sign up for your list. Brand sponsorship. If you can get a brand sponsorship deal, then you don't have to worry about displaying ads or selling anything. You will receive payment from the sponsor because they want you to promote what they offer on your vlog. It is directly related to your vlog and will help your audience. You will need to mention your sponsor in the videos. Most of the time, sponsors find vloggers. They are only going to want to work with vloggers that have a large subscriber base, so this can take time to happen. If you have a lot of subscribers and your videos have large view counts, then the sponsors will contact you. Funding platforms. There are new funding platforms such as Patreon.com that enable vlog fans to set up a monthly subscription to fund their favorite vloggers and keep them going. A lot of vloggers are now turning to platforms like Patreon for a regular monthly income. With Patreon, you can set various levels of subscriptions. You will need to offer your Patreon subscribers something more than you do your normal vlog subscribers. They need to feel special and satisfied that they are funding you each month. Dear valued customer, would you like to discover a shortcut to creating a successful video blog for profit? If so, pay close attention to this very limited, special offer. You will only see this once. First off, thanks so much for purchasing the guide that will teach you all the skills you need to start modern vlogging. If you follow the step-by-step guide, you will be heading straight to that goal. But what if you could do it even faster? And what if you could ensure that you get the absolute best results possible and stay focused? In short, making sure that this is a real success. Now, the good news is that you can. For a limited time, you can get access to the video upgrade to the guide you just purchased at a very low price. This powerful upgrade will make it easier to get started and stay committed to your ultimate goal. Just to be clear, this is an exclusive upgrade for customers only. Why do you need to upgrade to the video version of the Modern Vlogging Guide? Did you know that most people learn a lot faster when they see something being done on video other than just by reading about it? That's because most people out there are visual learners. How do you normally learn the best? Although the guide you just purchased gives you a step-by-step approach to modern vlogging, experience tells us that it requires learners to pay very close attention to the details to get the best results possible. If you miss any of the most important details or do things the wrong way, you may miss out on the full benefits offered inside the guide. For that very reason, I've put together a video version to make it easier to get positive results quickly. The video version of the guide you just purchased will help you avoid missing any important key details that you might miss by only reading the guide. Stay focused and accountable, and follow through and make sure you get ongoing results. Ensure that the work you put in now keeps on giving you benefits long into the future. Introducing Modern Vlogging Video Course. Are you ready to learn all the skills you need to start creating a successful video blog for profit a lot faster? If the answer is yes, click the link below. Of course, you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost, right? First off, cost is the wrong word. This upgrade is an investment that will pay for itself many times over. This is the next best thing to having an expert on the subject right beside you, showing you how it's done. Of course, hiring an expert would easily set you back hundreds of dollars. Luckily, you're not going to have to invest anywhere near that today to get the next best thing. Not only will you avoid many of the most common mistakes that people make when trying to practice modern vlogging, you'll notice immediate positive results in your achievements. And it's about to get even better. When you upgrade today, you'll also get this exclusive Fast Action Bonus. Fast Action Bonus, high-quality MP3s of the entire video version of the training, valued at $27. Don't have time to watch videos? I'm also providing you with 10 MP3s that you can use while you're on the go. Listen to them in the car, at home, or even at the office. All day, every day. And here's what's really great about this. You don't have to decide anything today. You get a full 30 days to go through the video training and decide if this is really for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with everything you get inside, simply let me know and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Here's how to get instant access to the video version today. Simply click the link below, enter your information, and you'll get instant access to the entire video training version plus the Fast Action Bonus MP3s. But please don't wait. You must grab this right now. In fact, if you close this page, you may never have the opportunity to upgrade to the video version of this ever again at an investment this low. Are you ready to make things happen a lot faster? If you prefer to learn by being shown how to do something and you want to get results quickly, this is for you. If you're really serious about creating a successful video blog for profit, this is for you. And if you're one of those people that's a visual learner, you need this. Here's to becoming the most productive you that you can be. Remember, if you close this page, you may never see this again at such a low investment. There's no risk. Try this out for 30 days and then decide if it's for you. It doesn't get any easier than that. Conclusion. There's never been a better time to start a vlog, and we have provided you with everything that you need in this training to plan and implement a successful one. The demand for high-quality vlogs will continue to grow, so get in now to tap into the rising trend. Videos are always going to be the preferred medium for internet users. People are lazy, and if they can spend 5 minutes watching a video on how to do something, this is a lot easier than spending 20 minutes reading a 5,000-word blog post. With a vlog, you have a great opportunity to interact with your audience. Ask them questions in your videos and request that they leave you answers in the comments section. You can then thank them by replying to their comments. You need to do everything that you can to grow your vlog. This will increase your potential to make money from it. So be sure to optimize all of your videos properly and keep getting the word out on social media. So now it is over to you. Start planning your new vlog right away. If you need to invest in some good quality recording equipment, then do so. It will certainly be worth it and strengthen your commitment to your vlog. We wish you every success with your new vlog. Introduction. Vlogging is becoming increasingly more popular, and there has never been a better time to start a vlog. People really enjoy watching high-quality vlogs, and some vloggers have subscribers in the millions. But you don't need millions of subscribers to make money from vlogging. There are many vloggers that have a lot less subscribers that make a full-time income and more from their vlogging activities. What could be better? Doing something that you love and recording it to share with the world and making money at the same time. This is more than a dream. It can be your reality if you follow the advice provided in this training. In this training, you will discover what a vlog really is, some great and profitable ideas for starting a vlog, how to start your new vlog with maximum impact, and how to promote your vlog so that you increase your subscriber numbers and your potential to make money. We have answered all of the most common questions about vlogging in this training and provided you with a step-by-step plan to create a successful and profitable vlog. You need to take action and be totally committed to your new vlog. It's going to take some time and effort to get where you want to be. We have left no stone unturned in this training. You will know exactly what is expected of you in the highs and lows of vlogging. Consistency is everything with vlogging, as you will discover as you watch through this training. Once you have watched this training, you will have everything you need to start your journey to successful vlogging. So we recommend that you watch this training in full first, and then go back to the start and follow the recommended action steps. We wish you every success with your new vlog.